Hello and Happy New Year. It is 2022. My name is Ali and I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal. And it is time to discuss what to do this year. I know a lot of people have goals and options, and this video is designed to let you, if you are a trustee, a power of attorney, or someone is serving in a healthcare capacity, to start planning your year. Now, there's lots of things you can do, and let's not go crazy. Let's not get overmanaged and think you're going to plan the whole world. Let's just start with your team. Step one. So what I want you guys to do this month, above all else, take care of yourself and make sure you're managing the finances and paying the bills and all the stuff you've been doing. But think a little bit more strategically. I want you to think about who you're going to put on your team, who maybe is already on your team, or you need to change out, or you need to add to your team. So really, this video is for people who are serving in a fiduciary capacity role. You are a successor trustee, you are a current trustee of someone who's incapacitated, you're a power of attorney, and maybe you're a healthcare agent. You could be all of those, by the way, at the same time. So first, CPA. Important to get this taken care of now, because March and April, when the deadline is looming, is not the time to search for a CPA. Most of the good ones will be booked. So start now with your search. Find a CPA who is qualified to help you manage the finances and file any financial documents, tax returns, and other documents that might need to be filed for the person you are caring for. Step two, financial advisor. Make sure that you have someone you trust to run specific financial advice questions by, review insurance policies on a regular basis. If there are investments, make sure that they're managed properly, that they're balanced, that they're appropriate level of investment and type of risk for the person that you are handling the finances for. Go ahead and talk to your attorney. That's me, hi. Or any attorney, by the way, who does what I do. It's really important that you talk with them about what they need to be doing on a regular basis. So if you are the person who's trustee for mom and she's been incapacitated for a year or more, chances are there's a reporting requirement, an accounting requirement, or something that needs to be taken care of. So talk to your attorney, review those documents, and make sure you are following them exactly as they are drafted. Don't forget about care specialists, so someone in the healthcare industry who can help either manage appointments, make appointments, get medications to your loved one, those sorts of things. Because even if you're making the healthcare decisions, it doesn't mean you have to do every single little task yourself. You are responsible, by the way, for making sure that everything is taken care of, but that doesn't mean you have to do it all on your own. Okay. Next, let's talk about domestic tasks. If you are managing your own household, or you have someone managing your household, and now you have another household to manage, think about the things that might make your life a little bit easier and will provide value to the person you love and care for. So meals, maybe getting some of those delivered, a cleaning service, someone to come clean out the clutter, someone to come visit and spend time when it's appropriate for COVID and safely and all of that. Think about those sorts of domestic tasks that might be able to be farmed out to someone else to pick up the mail, someone else to get, the bills organized for you so that they can be paid, maybe someone to pay the bills. You have to manage it, make sure that everything's being done right, but you don't necessarily have to pay every bill yourself. And then the medical team. Think about how hard it is to get appointments, how hard it is to get COVID tests right now. Maybe stock up on a few of those if you need. Make sure the medications are running well. Pre-schedule any checkups that need to be scheduled to make sure that they're not missed. I know that the medical industry is highly impacted right now, so just want to make sure that you have what you need to do your job and care for your loved one. So that's this month. Go ahead, get your team assembled. If you're missing someone on your team, email me, info@Goff Legal, and someone from our office will get you a referral for something that you might need. And if you need legal advice, we can obviously set you up with an appointment with one of my amazing attorneys. That's all for now. We look forward to chatting with you more this year and look forward to hearing about how you're assembling your team. All right, bye guys.